The average of 26 numbers is 45. At this point of time, what should you do? Stop first, right? Find the total of the 26 number. So I'm going to find total of 26 numbers. Okay? And that will be 26 multiplied by 45 because they tell you that the average of 26 is 45. So 26 multiplied by 45. Use the calculator. 26 multiplied by 45. That will give us 1170. Okay, now, then next. They say that when 14 more numbers are added, the average becomes 52. So when 14 more numbers are added, how many numbers are there altogether now? Initially, there are only 26, then they add 14. So total number, so I'm going to write total number will be 26 plus 14 will be 40. So I'm going to write total of 40 numbers will be what? They say that after 14 more numbers are added, right? Total I have 40, right? Then they say the average becomes 52. So it's 40 multiplied by 52. So 40 multiplied by 52, that will be 2080. Now, at this point of time, right, I'm going to draw a model for you. Initially, right, there were only 26 numbers. Okay, and the total here is 1170. After they add 14 more numbers, the average becomes this. So they added 14 more numbers, right? The total now becomes 2080. So the question now is actually asking